everyone, and good morning. Guys,
Good
good
morning,
morning.
sir. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Morning.
morning, Giri. Good morning, Amit, Ajay, Shubhankar, and good morning, everyone.
Good
Guys, what is the
morning.
agenda for today? Why we are here? What we are going to learn today?
It's
AWS.
AWS. How to create a free
We,
tier
we
account
are
in AWS and all the services like EC2 and S3 bucket.
good, Giri, good. Yes, guys, we are here for the AWS. Okay, we are here for learning the AWS. But this is the day 10, right? Or this is the day 9, correct? Means officially on the syllabus, it's a day 9, but we are running one day late. It's a day 10. Okay, what we have done in the last 9 days?
Uh, Basics of DevOps and Linux command, all the Linux related commands.
Okay, good.
Basic
Troubleshoot
to
Linux
advanced.
command.
Troubleshooting of the Linux command, real-time troubleshooting. If you will say real-time, that will be better answer. Correct. What
Yes.
else? What else? Is I teach only to Giri, Darshan, 1 or 2%? What about others? Amit, what about others?
Yeah, we have completed our Linux
Okay. इतना
and
अच्छे
now
से
we
बोलो
are
ना थोड़ा
confident.
अच्छे से बोलो देखो
Yeah.
if you, see I am telling you
Text
guys
editor.
if you are not able to speak here also you will not able to speak in the interview as well right 10 hours
Yes.
means around 15 hours I was in front of you tak correct 15 hours
Yes.
continuously my commands are running correct yes or no
Yes. Yes. Yes.
every class is of 1.5 hour right so if 15 hours I was able to speak in the Linux you are not able to speak 15 seconds tell me go ahead
So yeah, we learned DevOps tools.
Hmm,
Google, we created virtual machine in Google Cloud, and then we
correct
learned Linux commands and
correct
troubleshooting in Linux, real-time troubleshooting,
correct
and
correct
that boosted our confidence.
correct from non-technical side you are into the technical side at this point correct yes or no guys are you agree everyone
Yes.
okay
Yes.
thank you okay nice and let's come to the AWS okay because in the last 10 days we have understand the basics of our DevOps basics of our Linux now we want to start our DevOps part okay if I will ask the question with you only what is AWS go ahead points go ahead
It is a cloud premises provided by the Amazon,
it's a cloud provider okay
It's a
good
cloud provider, Amazon Web Services. We
okay
are
CLOUD cloud provider okay yes
and
yes.
it is providing the IaaS, PaaS, and
IAS
SaaS.
PAS SAS okay yes okay FAS you are not thinking about 20 lakh
CAS
package
also.
CAS
FAS, CAS, all the
okay
things are,
cool
and here the special things about AWS is like you will pay what you will use in
that
the
is
company.
applicable in all the cloud providers okay that is
But
applicable in all the cloud providers pay per
okay,
use model okay
pay
go
per
ahead what
use.
else
AWS provides compute services which can be accessed through internet to
correct
normal users or business users.
correct compute services storage services database services serverless services okay administration services global infrastructure services so many varieties of services it is providing to us cool good what else guys think it because you are here for
AWS
learning the
has
AWS. Huh.
200 plus services.
AWS has 200 plus services as a revolution from the last 10 years correct cool okay good what else guys think it answers I'm looking for the answers from you guys
Uh, AWS is a cloud computing platform that offers the services for the
Hmm.
storage computing
Correct.
and many more.
Correct. Cool. Thank you. Yes, you know a little bit about the AWS. Guys, if you will come up on the camera, it will be good. You will able to observe the things 100%. My guarantee. Okay, you will able to observe the 100% things. Yeah. Cool. What is AWS? We have already discussed it. Let me give the answer. Now my turn. AWS is the full form of AWS is Amazon Web Services. It's a subsidiary of the organization called Amazon. Means Amazon is the parent organization. Amazon has a service that is called AWS. Okay. In the AWS, they are providing the cloud computing resources and their services on their platform. Means AWS has created their own platform in terms of platform, I can say it's a data centers, okay, and we are accessing their services on their platform. Okay, how to access AWS? Very simple, aws.amazon.com. This is the URL, or this is the console URL. We have to go into this URL and we can able to see the AWS related thing. Let's start now only. Okay, this is my browser. Okay, I have bookmarked it aws.amazon.com. Okay, you also have to go into this, and after that you will get an option of console. Console means you will able to access this with the help of UI. Okay, cool. Now I'm coming here. Yes, this is the URL where the AWS will be accessible. Okay, AWS provides servers, services, resources on the cloud, resources on their own premises. We are accessing with the help of internet. That's why we are calling as a cloud. Make sense? Yes, no? Yes, no, please, everyone.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
please, guys,
Yes.
everyone respond into the chat box, please. Because I'm here to deliver the things. Please, Mustafa is telling yes. What about others?
Yes.
Cool, thank you. Okay, AWS has a revolution over the time. Do you know when the AWS first service, or when the AWS, this platform which we are going to see now? Okay, after signing in, I'm going inside the AWS cloud. Okay, do you know how many years old this platform or this UI? When the first time this UI came?
2002.
2002.
2002. Correct. Yes, you guys are correct. 2002. 2002 means around 22 years old. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right?
Agree.
22 years old. Yes, AWS is a revolution, means 22, from the last 22 years AWS is up and running, working for us. Okay, it has a one model that is called free to join. You can create your account free of cost, and whatever you are going to use for the commercial purpose, you have to pay accordingly. For the learning purpose also, for the 1 year free tier account is available for free of cost. 1 year you can able to learn, explore, or experiment the things into the AWS cloud. But for the commercial purpose, pay per use model, means whatever you are using it, you have to pay accordingly. Okay, it has lot of services, some computer services, web services, cloud computing services over the internet. Okay, by amazon.com. But because what is free, we are looking for the free things, right? What will be the freely available? If you will go here, you will able to see on this link aws.amazon.com/free. I am giving this link, and guys, I given this link also 2 times earlier as well as a homework. How many people has did the homework?
You've
What?
already said.
First tell me, what is the homework? What was the homework?
Read the services provided.
Read the at least service names. Okay, means this is EC2 750 hours is free, S3 is a 5 GB free, RDS is 750 hours free. What all the service name? At least you have to see the service names. Guys, if you are not doing the homework, that's not good. You are making your loss. Are you agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, please guys. Okay, I'm giving again, I given this link, bookmark it, read it by today, please. Okay, it will be helpful for you because you will get some extra information. Okay, cool. And this is the place where the AWS free services information is available, and we are going to create the AWS account. So account creation page is this. Okay, we can go into this page and we can create a AWS account. I will help you out. I will create an account, no need to worry. Okay, here we will get a complete sign up option. We have to just complete our sign up. We have to provide the basic information and the account will be get created. It will take 3 to 5 minutes, nothing else. Okay, as a dependency, guys, I need some as a dependency that if you want to create an account, we must require one of the valid email ID. Okay, email ID which is little bit old, not a very latest email ID. Okay, little bit old email ID with the proper name. Proper name means if your name is Vikas or whatever is your full name, you have to put the full name also in the email ID, so that what will happen, automatic verification will happen. It will not ask any validation proof. Okay, sometimes some student will create a AWS account or GCP account with some different name, Humpy Sharma or something like that. It may not work. Okay, so please put the email ID proper. Use your genuine email ID. use your international transaction enable Visa card. Okay, if you have a Visa credit card, well and good. If not, if you have a debit card, that is also acceptable, but international transaction has to be enabled. If the international transaction is enabled, it will charge you 1 rupee or sometimes 2 rupees for the validation purpose, and they will return your 1 or 2 rupees also. And in place of that, you will get a 1 year free AWS account where services are free of cost. You can use it. Make sense? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Only one person, yes. I don't like it. I don't like the silent people. Please, Mustafa,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Ismail, thank you.
Yes,
What
sir.
about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
if you are listening me, you have to respond. That's it. If you are learning with me, you have to crack the job. That's it. Okay, cool. Yep, and we will create a AWS account at the end of the today's session. No need to worry. Okay. If I will ask you the question again, what exactly the AWS is, with the help of this URL, now this all points you have to remember it. With the help of this URL, aws.amazon.com, we can access the AWS. Okay, it's a subsidiary of the organization called Amazon. It has servers, it has services, it has resources available which are ready-made available, and we can use it as per pay-per-use model. Okay, it is providing the remote computing services. Remote means somewhere else on their different data centers these things are available. With the help of internet, with the help of virtualization technology, or with the help of internet, we are able to you are able to or we are able to access their resources. Okay, cool. It is freely available, yes, for the 1 year free of cost. Some services on the free tier account we can able to use it. Okay, it has lot of automation, lot of managed services or on demand services are available. Means as per our request we can able to create the instance. Let us assume EC2 instance, RDS, database, EBS, elastic IP. Based on our requirement, we can able to create the services on the AWS cloud, and we can able to use. Good, all good? Yes, no?
Yes.
All good, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
very good.
Thank you. Thanks, Victor. Now, let's see the little bit history of the AWS. As some of the people already know, the AWS has been launched in 2002. Yes, that is correct. The platform which I'm showing you right away, this platform is around 22 or 23-year old. I agree. Okay, cool. And in the 2003, the concept or the plan has been came, means what exactly they want to use it, they want to provide it to us. Okay, and in 2004, the very first service called SQS has been launched. Now I need a full form of SQS. What is SQS?
Simple queue
It's a
service.
simple queue service.
What
Queue
is the
service.
use of this service? What is the use of this service? Just one line answer.
Email sending.
Messaging queue.
Notifications are
Cross. Victor, what
Just
you're
send
telling
a
me?
notification.
Process the thing
Process.
in a order or into a
Yes.
distributed order into the queue, correct?
Yes.
Because
Email the
let
clone.
assume, let's take an example. If I want to send 1000 email, okay, and if I will send directly in one shot, it may work or it may not work, or it may go to the spam folder as well, right? So the good practice says that if you want to process anything, just break up into the small packets and then trigger it or then process it, it will work. Correct. So yes, it will also do the similar kind of activity, keeping the things into the queue and into the order, it will get processed. Okay, I just took the message, I just took the email option. In the big MNCs, let's take about the banking environment, transitions are happening, right? If all the transition happen at a one shot, it may not work. Sometimes we may process the transition at one time, but it may not good practice, so it will process into the small bunch or small orders or small packets. So that type of things can be achieved with the help of SQS service. Cool. In 2006, one of the favorite service has been launched. The name is, what is the name?
Elastic compute service.
EC2.
EC2.
EC2. Okay,
Elastic
this is
Cloud.
the Elastic Compute Cloud. What is the full form of EC2? Elastic
Elastic
Compute
compute
Elastic
Cloud.
Compute Cloud.
complex cloud.
What do you mean by elastic?
flexible like that.
Flexible, increase or decrease. It can
Yes.
increase or decrease. Good. What do you mean by compute?
Compute
Able
is
to perform
Physical
operation.
machine.
computer resources like CPU,
Virtual machine.
hard
Computer
drive.
resources,
Hardware.
right? CPU, memory, disk, or compute resources of the machine. Okay. C means cloud. What do you mean by cloud? Remotely accessible,
Yes.
correct, or virtually accessible. That is called EC2. Okay, guys, if you will be into the AWS cloud, there may be 70 to 90% chances this service is getting used in your company. Okay, so you must have to be aware about EC2. Now some people will say, okay, only EC2. If you will open the EC2, you will able to see, let me go into the one of the service called EC2. Okay, and as soon as I will open this service, okay, you have to be aware about the components of the EC2. Okay, the EC2 has been divided into this many components. Okay, means you have to be aware about all these things about the EC2. Okay, means you have to be aware about the instances. In the instances, whatever the options are coming, you have to be aware about it. In the images, you have to be aware about this thing. Block storage, you have to be aware about the process block storage. Network security will also come into this part. Load balancing is also into this part, and auto scaling into that. If you are writing the EC2 keyword in your resume, means you are telling that you are aware about all this. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we have to do all these things in a practical way as well, or at least from today onwards, whatever the services you already aware about it. Okay, because so many people has written AWS, so many people has written lot of services in your resume. Okay, whatever the services written in your resume, please one line answer should be available for everything. Is that okay? Yes, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and my responsibility, I will deliver everything to you. Okay, whatever I have written in the syllabus, okay, I will deliver everything to you. Okay, or beyond that. Okay, because where is the syllabus? If you will come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com, as soon as you will come here, yes, this is the batch 38. Okay, you can close it and you can click on the join current batch. As soon as you will click on the join current batch, you will able to see the day-wise syllabus here. As soon as you will click on the day-wise syllabus here, this will be the syllabus, and I'm giving this link again to you guys into the chat box. Please bookmark it if you have not bookmarked yet. Okay, and yes, in the EC2, definitely I'm talking about the history at this point. I'm talking about the overview at this point, and then top features, and then slowly we will move into the AWS side. Okay, and EC2 will be get started by today, or by today little bit walkthrough, and after that the AWS scalability, virtualization, high availability, auto scaling, everything will be discussed in the tomorrow class. Okay, cool. Now I'm back here. Okay, as I told, one of the popular service that is called EC2, and you must have to be aware about it. Okay, cool. And this is a 2006, means around 19 or 18 years back. Okay, this service came, and as soon as this service has been launched, so many people, bank, big organizations are asking about the security. SECURITY. Is this a secure? Whatever the data or whatever the application we are running into this machine, is this secure? Then AWS took 3 years of time, and he created one of the another service called VPC. What is VPC?
Virtual private cloud.
Private cloud.
Virtual private cloud means AWS has told, okay, you want to create your own EC2 machine, you want to create a EC2 machine, create it, and you can create your own virtual private cloud. And inside your cloud, you can put your resources. It can be EC2, it can be RDS, it can be database, it can be anything. Means create your own network, isolated network, which is very secure. You have to create it, and after that you can put your resources into that. AWS took 3 years to give this answer, okay, to develop this thing. And yes, this is the solution why the things are getting secure at this point into the cloud, because we are into our private isolated network. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if you have any plan, definitely you have a plan to write the VPC also. Okay, to write a VPC, if you want to write it, you must have to be know about all these things. Okay, now I'm going into the VPC part. VPC. Okay, and it is clearly saying that isolated cloud resources. Yes, isolated your own resources into the cloud, and we must have to be aware about this all things. Okay, so again, I need a 2 days time to explain you all these options. Okay, this all options you have to be aware about it, and whoever has already written the written the VPC in your resume, open one by one services name and at least read the definition. It will be helpful when I will explain to you. When I will explain to you, you will able to understand in a better way. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Another thing, Because can we create something? Let's create something. Okay. At this point, I choose the data center as a Mumbai. Okay. And I'm into the VPC. Okay. At this point, if you will able to see in my machine, 4 VPCs are already there. Is this VPC creation is tough? No. Within 2 to 3 clicks or 2 to 5 clicks, we will able to create the VPC. Let me create a very basic VPC at this point. Okay. I'm creating a VPC. I'm giving a name. Guys, any one of your name, please?
Amit.
Amit. AMIT. Okay, I'm creating a VPC with the name Amit. Okay, and here it is asking a range. Like let's assume you are purchasing some plot. When we are purchasing a plot, okay, we need to provide the size. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
That how much
Yes.
size we want to. So we are creating a cloud, so we have to provide the size, how much big cloud you need it. Okay, so I'm just putting the random number. I will teach it. No need to worry. Okay, /16. Okay, means I'm just putting the value of CIDR 16. Okay. Anyone knows this CIDR formula? CIDR, anyone aware about it?
It-
Anyone of you?
It's divided into host and networks, the IP
Okay,
address.
okay, little bit better answer. What is the full form of CIDR? Guys, we are 35, 40 people here. What is the full form?
Classless inter.
Correct. Cascade. Okay, cool. No worries, guys. If you don't know, it's okay. This is a day one. It's okay. But can we make a target within 15 days, within 20 days, we will be aware about all these things? Are you ready?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
it's a classless inter routing.
It's okay. It's okay. Right? We have to be aware about all these things. Can we make a target within 1 month? We have to be aware about all these things. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes.
please. Okay. Are you aware about IPv6, IPv4? Little bit about networking.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. What is IPv6, IPv4?
IPv6 and IPv4 you can able to see in your local LAN network.
Acha,
And
chalo,
most
chalo,
of
wait. People
64
knows
bit.
the definition. In our laptop, we are getting IPv4 or IPv6.
it both
IPv4.
both IPv4 and IPv6 is available in the laptop.
Roshan, from how you get to know this part?
IP config.
Wait. Roshan is very confident. Roshan, how you get to know this answer? Tell me.
पढ़ाई
Tell
कर
me.
रहा हूँ पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ सर
कहाँ से पढ़ाई करी? किसने बताया ये बात? ये बताओ. अब तो सीधे सीधे 1-to-1 वाली बात होगी सीधे बोलो.
ना अपने गुरु से
नहीं ऐसा नहीं ठीक है मुझसे ही सीखा था करेक्ट तो
Exactly.
दूसरों को अपॉर्चुनिटी दो रोशन आलू में तुम्हें आंसर पता यू नो द आंसर राइट गिव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अदर okay guys the correct Roshan has given the answer correct okay we are getting IPv4 as well as IPv6 also in our laptop how many people are already aware about this thing tell me now Roshan has given the answer that's why you are aware how many people are aware before that also tell me
No.
Yeah,
no
I knew
right
it.
okay, one person telling no, one person telling no. Guys, yes, we have to be aware about our system. Okay, because indirectly we are going to explore these all things into the cloud. This is we can say in our laptop. These all things are there. Indirectly, we are exploring the same thing into the cloud. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
If we will
Yes.
be aware about these all things first and then we will move into the cloud it will be more better okay cool so what I'm doing it I just given the range okay I just given the range /16 I will explain you everything okay and I'm just clicking on the create means what I did I just choose the option VPC only I just given a name Amit and I just given the range /16 and I click on the create VPC as soon as I click on the create VPC Amit has been created is this stuff tell me
No.
is this stuff
No.
No.
right but we have to configure because if we will do this we will get a 10 lakh 15 lakh package job no okay this is very basic VPC we have to run the VPC on a more components as well okay you have to click here you have to be aware about this all options okay so I need again 2 days of time to teach you all this thing okay which I will deliver definitely to you guys okay on this day okay the networking classes will be there the day 17 and day 18 I will deliver okay but from today onwards we have to be little bit aware about it what exactly the networking is how the networking works traditionally I'm not talking about cloud traditionally means how the connectivity happen if you will aware about this all things it will be helpful for you are you agree with my point yes or no
Yes.
agree
Yes.
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 right? Because we are going to learn. We are not going to learn anything new. We are going to learn the things which you are traditionally using it. You are already using the IP addresses. You are aware about it, internal IP, external IP, lot of things, but we have to learn this in a better way. Okay, so yes, VPC has been came in 2009, and this for the security purpose, this all things are there, and for the security wise we have to be aware about the VPC. Okay, and one more thing, what we will create a VPC in your company, the very first is VPC has to be get created, your own private network, and then your resources will be created inside. Okay, this is just a high level overview. Okay, and in 2012 the very first customer event happened. He explained all these things to the people. Okay, and in 2016 the AWS hits the 10 billion revenue, and from 2016 onwards the cloud name came into the picture, AWS name came into the picture. Are you agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool, thank you. Or after that, everyone, every engineer who are working in 2 to 5 lakh package, 10 lakh package, okay, or who has the ambition to learn something new, they have moved into the cloud AWS, okay, and they have learned it. And even I also a part of that part, okay. And in 2017, the around 100 AWS services came with the picture, and in 2024, the number is coming that around 200 plus services are available here. Now I have a question, how come they are creating this many services? How come they are creating this many services? What is the reason? Or how they are getting the idea? Go ahead, go ahead. How they are
If
getting idea?
Based on the
if
customer's
problem
feedback.
or
Based on the feedback. See, first point, they people want a security, so they created a security related. I agree with your point. What else?
if problem comes, then they are finding solutions.
If problem came, they are finding the solution. Very good answer. Yes, okay.
They are moving the on-premise services onto the cloud.
Very, very good answer, Archana. Guys, Archana, please repeat it. What you are telling?
So basically, many companies, the old companies or the new companies, they have been working on many of the applications or services which are on-premise. So in recent times, to get rid of all the applications which are running on-premise, so many companies
Companies
are
are
moving to
moving into
cloud.
the correct. Definitely your answer. In short, I would like to say that traditional things are moving into the new, what we can say, new services. Okay. If I will take an example, earlier 5 years or not 10 years back, okay, our databases or storage things are like DAS, SNS, NS, RDMS. Okay. If I will take a 5 years back, we are very commonly using the pen drive CDs. We are using the CDs, right? You know, for watching the movies, sending the details to someone, right? We are using the
Yes.
CDs, right?
Yes.
After that, the pen drive came. And tell me how many people are using the CDs at this point in 2024?
No one.
No one. But 5 years or 10 years back, definitely we are using it. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. From the last 5 years, we are using the pen drive. Now tell me how many people are still using the pen drive?
Very less people are.
Okay. Now also 5 years back, pen drive is the best option, right? To move the data from one place to another. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, between us, I'm talking about our, not enterprise level, but nowadays also we are not sending any data, we are not moving the data with that open drive. This become outdated, yes or no?
Yes.
Because Google drives came, so many drives came, mobile phone has that much storage, we can transfer the thing with that only, we can upload into the Google drive or some drives, and we can able to transfer it, we can upload in telegrams, lot of places options came, right? So do you feel that approaches got outdated, yes or no?
Yes.
Same thing happened with these things also. DAS, SNS, NS, RDMS. This was the 10 years back. This was very common for storing a data. But at this point, no. 5 years back till before COVID also on-premises data centers like CPU, memory, disks that are very common. Even in our Bangalore office also, Bangalore BTM office. Okay, what we did to run the servers, we have created one. This we have purchased this type of rack. We put CPU, memories, and disks inside it, and we are managing from that location. Okay, but after that, this when the COVID came, and if any of the issue happened, we are not able to go and resolve it. So this approach become fail for us, and we also move our data everything into the cloud. Okay, so this was also 5 years back. This was very common. Rex was coming, CPU, memory, disks was there, but nowadays this is also outdated. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, it has been replaced by the AMIs or EC2 machines. Same way, the storage or database related things also replaced by EBS, EFS, S3, RDS. Okay. In our house, at this point also, if you have an internet connection, definitely you have an internet connection, you have a Wi-Fi in your home. Okay. But the Wi-Fi is connected with some cable. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
The
Yes.
cable is coming to your house and then only the Wi-Fi is working for you. Correct. But do you know within 2 to 5 years also this router of wire thing will be get vanished or will be get removed or will be get updated, I can say.
Yes.
How?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Now, at this moment,
Geo Air
this
Fiber.
is Starlink is providing.
Correct, correct. But Matsava, what is happening? Yes, how it will be replaced? The wire-based connection will be get replaced. How? Guys, give the answer.
Geo Air Fiber.
Air fiber, okay. Satellite internet, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Satellite.
Satellite internet is coming. So within 2 to 5 years, I'm not committing anything, but within 2 to 5 years, this concept may be also old, okay, or there may be chances directly one router will be available for you. It will get connected or it will work with the help of satellite, right? Possible or not possible? Or somewhere in your area,
Yes.
one tower will be there and everyone will going to use it. Possible. Okay. So all things are getting replaced. The traditional things are getting replaced with the latest thing. Same thing happen in our cloud also. In our traditional approach, routers, network pipes, switches, so many things are there. In the networking, it has been replaced by ELB and VPC. Now the VPC came, everything is available inside it. Okay. So things are getting replaced. Security wise also, earlier firewalls was there. Now also the firewalls are there. Very same. Okay, but the name has been changed. Some ACL, NSCL security groups are there. Or in the server room, in front of the server room, there was a security guard was sitting. Are you agree? In your company also, whoever has a 5 years experience, one of the security guard was sitting in front of the server room.
Yes.
Right, after
Yes.
that it has been replaced by lock, okay, some digital lock or something, and at this point it has been replaced by the AWS IAM. So things are getting replaced, things are getting modified. That's why the ideas are coming and the cloud services are increasing. Make sense? So in the future 400 services will be there. Definitely it may be possible. How? Because earlier whatever the traditional things are there getting migrated into the cloud. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes.
Vikas.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And if anyone here who will say, because there are 200 services are there, I want to learn all the 200 services. Is that possible? Tell me.
No.
No.
Anyone here in this group who will say, I want to learn all the 200 services? I say yes, no.
No.
No, right?
No.
No.
Also, no.
Definitely, guys, not possible. Okay. You
No.
can't learn all the 200 services. Let us assume you plan it to learn 200 services. It required 2 years of time, right? And in the 2 years, definitely 200 more services will be there. Correct. So you can't complete the all the services ever. Everyone agree with my point? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, please type agree into the chat box. I want to see how many people are sleeping awake. Please, 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 please. Ah, good, good. Thank you. A lot of people are awake. Good. Thank you. Okay, good. So what I would like to say that we don't have to learn, we have to learn the top services. Okay. So what I did, I have divided the things into the multiple parts. Okay. Multiple parts means first I divided into the global infrastructure. Yes, from the name, what you are able to understand? Global infrastructure, what you are able to understand with this name?
It's available across the globe.
Correct.
All.
Available across the globe. Okay. When I'm talking about here, these are the different data centers are here. Because so
Yes.
many options of the data centers are available. Which one we have to choose and why? We will discuss in the next 10 minutes. Okay. Which data center we have to choose and why? We will discuss in the next 10 minutes. But this many options are available. This is called global infrastructure. Means I would like to create an application at this point in the AWS cloud. So I have this many options, this many data centers are there. I can choose any. Correct? Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that is called global infrastructure. After that, I will create about the networking related concept means VPC. The very first point means after I will secure my network. Okay, then I will go into what exactly the services are required, like compute services, CPU memories are required. If I need a storage related things, I will talk about the storage services. If I need a database related thing, I will talk about the database related things. If I want application, ready-made applications, IAS, PS, SS, CS related services, I can choose from this. For the deployment purpose or administration purpose, I have this many services. So what I would like to say to you, first we have to decide the data center. After the data center, we have to create our own network. After creating a network, we have to choose which resources or which type of our application it is, which type of storage, where we want to store the data, where in form of which form, relational form, non-relational form, we have to store our data. Then administration activities will come or deployment related activities will come. So in short, I would like to say that if you know two services from every category, your AWS will be good. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay,
Yes, sir.
from every category, guys, because see, every application or any application which we have to create it will be composite of this many things, right? Infrastructure, networking, CPU, memory, disks, databases, application, and administration activities, or even deployment related activities will also come into this. Okay, so full SDLC depends on this part. You have to be aware about three services from every category. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so from now onwards, think it in that way that for every variety, we have to learn one or two services or three services. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for you guys in the next 20 days. Okay? Cool. Okay. And in the last 22 years of AWS, this many services has been created. Okay. I will give you this PPT. No need to worry. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. But this many services, which service has been came is visible here. Okay. And the platform has been launched in 2002. Yeah, cool. And these are some core services definition. As I was telling always that we have to be aware about the definition. So I'm just writing all the definitions which we are going to cover up in the next videos. Okay. So I'm just giving all the definitions to you because sometime in the interview we have to speak up the definitions also. Okay. So I'm writing and I'm giving you everything. If someone will say, Vikas, I have a 5+ year of experience, is this services are enough for me? I say yes, but you have to be aware about the complete AWS overview as well. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to explain you with the white papers. Okay, AWS is providing the white papers, and I'm giving you all these ebooks also to you so that you can able to read it. If you want to read it, you can able to read these ebooks as well. Overview all the services. Sometimes what happen? Why I'm providing this? Because the student knows the answer, but if you don't know the correct definition, right? If you don't know the correct definition, your answer is not correct. Yes or no? You will not able to crack the interview. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? We know the definition. Sometimes if I will ask what is AWS, everyone knows it. But to impress the interviewer, we have to give the complete or proper definition as well. So this ebook, which is of 153 pages, all the AWS services, one line or two lines or small definitions are available. Okay. Instead of reading from some other places, read the document from the white papers. Guys, what is white papers? What is white paper?
It's ebook.
It's given by the Amazon.
Provided by the Amazon
Amazon.
itself. Okay. In another keywords we call as a source of truth. Means from the Google or from other website, how this is coming. This all information came from this place. Okay. Yes or no? First Amazon told that okay, this is EC2. This is the feature of EC2. They have written on their website. They have written in their ebooks. They have written in their white papers, and then other application or other people has copied it. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
instead people are copying, they are changing the definition. Better learn from the real source. Okay, so these are the white books which I am providing to you. Whatever the definition you want to read it, you can read from this place. Okay, first option. And it will take time. I agree. You don't have to learn all the definitions, but at least 15, 20, 30 definitions has to be aware about. So that you can able to speak into the interview. You can able to speak into the debate. You can able to speak in front of people. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And if someone will say, because I have a 5 years, 10 years experience, okay, is this ebooks are enough? Yes, I'm telling you, I'm giving you one more ebook. Okay. The ebook says the architecture framework. See, when I'm talking about this, in terms of this, it look like some architecture, correct? Yes or no? But architecture don't work like this, right? We are just deciding the components into this place. Yes or no? But architecture means which one is connected to with them, which one is connected on a flow. We have to be aware about that all things as well. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, we have to understand the well architecture framework as well. Okay. If you really want to explore more, we can able to explore this as well. But no need to worry. I have covered up in my things, design patterns, definitions, best practices, so many examples I'm providing it. It is 97-page ebook, which I will provide it to you just for your reference. Okay. Not mandatory to read it, but if you want to write 5 years, 10 years, 15 years experience into the AWS, with the help of this, you will able to do it. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Because some people are here who will say, because I want to write 10 years of experience. You can write it, but you have to be aware about up to that level. Okay. Good. Best practices. I will follow all the best practices, whatever is written into this book. Okay. The best practices. Sorry, this is not. We are providing some best practices books also. Okay, so in that whatever the best practices they have mentioned it, I'm also explaining the all the best practices whatever the Amazon is telling. Okay, I will use the same thing in my classes. Okay, cool. But because is this also enough? Yes, this is enough. One more thing is there. Have you heard about by any chance anyone disaster recovery or disaster related activities? Anyone of you
Yes.
worked?
Yes.
Yes, yes, I work
You
DR
worked.
activity.
So, I mean, what happened into the disaster recovery or disaster? Can you just give one or two line of answer?
In disaster means what happened? We are creating a dummy server, and server and we are checking in the background
Correct. Means
for
you are
that.
taking the backups and you are
Yeah,
recovering
yeah,
of the applications. Correct.
application. Yes,
Okay. And in your, Praveen, as I know, you have a 17 years of experience. Correct.
yeah, yes.
In your 17 years of experience, how many times you faced the disaster of the application?
Not more, only 2 to 3 times.
2 to 3 times also. Good. Okay. Means within 5 years, this activity may come.
Yeah,
Agree?
yes.
Guys, are you agree?
Yes.
Okay, in my 15 years career also, 2 3 times we just did run the dummy time. One of the time I forgot the name, Miami, something came. Okay, that time we did the real disaster recovery. Okay, that is 8 9 years back. Okay, so yes, so only in the entire I can say in the duration of 5 years you may able to do this activity one time. That is called
So,
disaster recovery.
because in my company, we are doing this disaster recovery once in a year.
No, you are just checking it. You are not doing any recovery. Okay, you are just checking it. Your servers are up and running or not.
Yes, sir, that's
Agree?
what we are checking.
Just
Once in a
checking it.
year, like
Okay.
every time we need to do it.
Ha, correct. Means if anything happen, because see what will happen, suddenly something happen, you will say what to do. Correct? The documents are updated or not, the
Yeah,
things are
actually,
running
that
or
is
not.
is that a part of the audit also?
That is a part of audit activities also. Okay. So guys, sometime in the interviewer, if you have a 5 years of 10 years of experience, okay, this question may come. If you will write it less than 6 year or 8 year experience, this question may not come. But if you have a 10 years of experience, I'm giving you this disaster recovery ebook also. Just read it. Okay. And I will also take one 15-minute session and I will explain to you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
because
That
Yes.
is for 10 plus year experience person. Okay. Less than 5 years, no need to do anything. Whatever I'm delivering, just say everything same. Okay. For this extra things, for the extra experience. Okay. If someone here say, Vikas, I need anyone who is expecting the highest package more than 30 lakh. How many people are here? Tell me. Tell me 30 lakh, 40 lakh. How many people are expecting 40 lakhs?
Yes.
Myself.
Everyone.
Everyone, good. Okay.
Everyone.
Everyone, okay, because we are creating our level more than 30 or 40 lakhs, we have to achieve it. Okay, now how? Okay, first we will learn the thing. Within 3 months or within 2 months of duration, make a target to write one certificate as possible.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
not
perfect.
today, not today, not in the month of February, not in the month of March. Get the hike. Okay, because you are already discussions and everything happen in your company, correct? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
If you will say you did the
Yes.
certificate now, there is no sense. Okay, get the hike. Okay, and then after that show that you did some certifications as well. Okay, so it will be helpful for you to write some to get some extra package. Okay, and I have missed it. Okay, one second. Yeah, certification. Okay, so there is a one certification link which I'm going to give it to you. we don't have to go for a very high level certificate. At least certificate has a value, so you can write the cloud dictionary certificate exam in the month of April. I will say a lot of people, I will say you all again, okay, after 1 month or after 45 days, okay, that you have to start the preparation for this. I will give one more ebook. You have to read everyone ebook, okay, that is exam terms, 100 200 questions are there. Read it and go and write the exam. Is that okay? Yes,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so make a
Yes,
target,
sir.
first learn it, okay, and then if guys, not only me, if you guys anyone given the example or you get the proper dumps, share it to the group. Okay, can I give this responsibility to you itself, because you are 40 people, someone will definitely get the dumps, correct?
Yes.
Yes, no? Okay, from wherever, if you get it for this exam, share it with everyone, everyone will write the exam, that's it. And after that, yes, now let's come up into the actual thing. Okay, I'm talking about the global infrastructure. I'm opening this name, infrastructure.aws. Okay, this is the global infrastructure. AWS has their servers into the North America, South America, Europe, Middle West, Africa, Pacific, Australia, so many different regions the global infrastructure is available. Okay, now in this different infrastructure, in this different global infrastructure, AWS is telling 36 different regions it is available, 114 availability zone it is available, and 700 cloud fronts location it is available. Some people will say what exactly it is. Is anyone able to understand what is region, availability zone? Just a difference. Wait, wait. Let's take an example for India.
We have two, I think, availability
Is
zones.
a data
Region
center?
wise, region means
Yes.
country. Okay,
Yes.
in
Yes.
India, this is a one region. India is a one
Central
region.
region.
Okay, in the India, there are two availability zones are available, like
Yes.
Mumbai and Hyderabad and
Hyderabad.
Mumbai. Two are there. Okay, means this is a single region. In this region, multiple availability zones are available.
I think
That's
it is
it.
called central region.
Whatever we
Okay.
say, we can say it, but yeah, the actual answer says that these are the India is a region, and inside the region these are the availability zones
We
available.
can say also
Same thing
data
in the
center also.
different data centers are available. Okay, in short, I would like to say one country there may be chances multiple data centers are available. Okay, so multiple availability zone can be possible in the one country as well. Now second point came cloud front. What is cloud front?
Upcoming.
No, upcoming is showing here, the red color is showing upcoming. Okay, UK, United Kingdom of South America, it is coming. Okay, Germany, it is coming. This is upcoming. What is 700 cloud fronts? Guys, think it, very basic question. There may be chances it will not ask
It's
in
a
the interview.
it's a CDN. It's a CDN.
Correct, CDN. What do you mean by CDN?
It's a content delivery network that helps user access data faster.
Correct, content delivery
Speed.
network. User can able to access it quickly. Okay, let's take an example, DMarts. Okay, in every city there are one, two, or three DMarts are available, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? But every city, out of the city, or now it came inside the city also, but outside the city they have created the DMart. But in your colony or nearby there is a DMart ready is available. What do you mean by DMart ready?
We can order and we can take
Correct, we
the.
can order from there. Everything is not 100% available, but something you will go and you can order there and they will deliver to you from that place, correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Same thing happen in the AWS also. Everything, all the services, everything is not available physically there. But if you will reach there or you can connect with them, they can able to help you out with from this location as well. That is CloudFront. Okay, CDN means, let's assume I created a website. I created a website. Okay, but my customers are from US or my customers are from Australia as well. And if I will host the website only in India, that is good option? No, right? The thing is, my traffic will be, latency will happen, the problem will happen for the US, problem will happen for the Australia, every people, correct? Every region, yes or no?
Yes.
If my customers are from US, so I will create my data center into the US. If my customers are from Australia, I will create based on latency, I will create my data center into the Australia region as well. Okay, both the places. But some people are accessing from India, some people are accessing from different places. So I will create a content delivery network, CDN, from that particular location or nearby location so that people will not face the latency in accessing the application. Okay, that's why this CDN or this front end has been CloudFront has been created or is available. 5 times or 10 times of the data center location it is available. Okay, this is called a global infrastructure. Okay, in AWS, if you will see here, these are the different regions or data centers are available. Okay, you can see into the real time also. As soon as you will create an account, you will able to see these are the different data centers are available. Okay, these are the different regions are available. Some regions may not be available for the particular accounts as well. Okay, because we are using the free tier account, so some data centers may not be available or accessible to you. If you need it, we have to raise an extra request, then that particular data center will be available or will be open or visible to you also. Okay, cool. Now the important question is, because there are so many data centers are available here, which one we have to choose, guys, and why? My old batch just went be silent. Okay, now give the answer. This many data centers are available. Which data center I have to choose and why? Yeah, Archana, go ahead. Mustafa, go ahead.
The nearest one.
Very good. Very good. Can you write it into the chat box? Can you write into the chat box, Archana? Mustafa, write it. Which data center I have to select? There are so many options are there. Guys, please write it. No, Roshan, no need to write it. Guys, everyone. Good. Mumbai, okay, very good. Nearest, very good. Guys, everyone, please write it. Everyone, Ajay, very good. Yes. London, Mustafa is telling London, okay. Any, Sumit is telling कुछ भी choose कर लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Okay. Chalo. Guys, what is the technical answer? You are choosing nearby. Chalo, I will ask one question. If you have to go for the shopping, you will always go for nearby shop?
No,
We have to choose the
Something like
one
that.
which is having all the services available.
No, you have a mall near to your house and always you are doing the shopping near to your house only.
No, we go for the best mall.
We will go for the best. Okay. Agree, one answer. What else?
Based upon our
according to the requirements, we can.
Based on the requirements. Okay. So nearest is not the correct answer. Are you agree? Nearest may
Yes.
not be the
Yes.
correct answer. Okay. Cool.
We need to check the location as per our like services are available and power, like in terms
Okay.
of hardware, like when means power is available or not, it is
Okay.
reliable or not, like this.
Cool. Okay, cool. Okay, what I'm doing it, whenever we are into this type of dilemma, okay, so we will give this one of the link to our customers, okay, or our client. We will say, okay, you have all the data centers are visible here, okay, all the data centers are visible here of the AWS cloud, okay, this many data centers are there. Hit all the data center, okay, hit 5 times. Whatever the data center is responding very fast to you or which has the best latency, we will choose that. From I'm sitting into the Bangalore location. From Bangalore, I will able to see that Mumbai and Hyderabad is giving the good response to me. Okay, but Mustafa is sitting into the UK. Correct? I'm giving you this link. I'm giving you this link. Guys, everyone hit this URL and tell me which one is the fastest, from where the fastest response is coming to you. Mustafa, the direct question to you, Victor, you are sitting into UK, Canada. Mustafa, you are sitting in UK. Can you hit this URL and let me know which one is the best option coming for you?
Mumbai.
Sumit is coming Mumbai. Okay. Victor, Mustafa, what about you? Mustafa is selling London. Okay.
I'm checking.
Checking. Please check it. Okay. Guys, everyone, which one is coming the fastest response to you?
Mumbai.
Most of the people are telling Mumbai because you are sitting into the India. And from India people, yes, the Mumbai or Hyderabad is the best option.
Yes,
Good.
Mumbai with 11 milliseconds latency.
11 millisecond. Good. From which location you are?
I'm Pune.
Pune and Mumbai nearby, right?
Yes.
So latency is more better. Good. Agree. Yes. Mustafa, the Hemant, others. Anu, which location you are? Anu, which one is coming for you? Guys, please respond. Please do it. Anu is telling Chicago. Yes.
I'm
Guys,
getting
yeah,
Singapore.
you are getting Singapore. Yes. Guys, see, based on the your different location, different data centers are coming, right? So what we will do it, we will give this URL to our client customer. We will tell hit it, and then we will decide it which data center we have to choose. Make sense? Are you agree? So whoever is
Yes.
telling nearby, okay, you are wrong. Whoever is telling directly Mumbai, your answer is correct, but you have to be a technically proven that which we have to use. Okay. So what I'm doing it now, I'm choosing two data centers at this point. Okay. Two data centers means one for the production environment, one for the dev environment. Okay. So every one of you guys, okay, whatever you want, otherwise follow me. Okay. Whatever the most of the people are getting it. Mumbai, most of the people are getting the highest latency, best performance. So Mumbai, I will create as a production environment. Ready? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Mumbai is best, so I will create Mumbai as a production environment. Okay. Cool. And another option, I have to create it Hyderabad. I can choose the Hyderabad for the dev environment. Okay, means all the development activities, testing we will do into the Hyderabad environment. If we want to run it actual application, we will run into the Mumbai region. Cool. Are you agree? Everyone agree?
Vikas, like, is it required like to be for the dev environment to like create some other location? Because
It
in
will
my
be good
company we
practice.
have like both the things in the same location.
Okay. Okay.
So
Means
is
if
this
you are choosing the same location, okay, let assume I don't want, but let assume Mumbai gone or Mumbai data center has been vanished by any reason. Okay, your full application will be down. Correct?
data will be there in the DR server, right? Our DR
But
server is
you
there
have
in
to
the
maintain
Hyderabad.
the DR, you have to enable it, you have to activate, it will take time, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you guys agree? Yes or no?
Yeah, actually it will take time because we need to do the preparation whenever we're doing this activity.
Correct. So why you are creating a problem for yourself? Choose the different data centers. Chalo, let assume full India gone by any reason. Okay, so better choose the something which is another thing nearby to India. Okay, Jakarta we can take it, Hong Kong we can choose it, Singapore we can choose it, any other different data center also we can choose. Singapore, yes, Singapore is coming, so we can choose the Singapore. It will not possible that India data center is down or Singapore data center is also down. It's difficult. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, that's why we are choosing the different data centers, because in 2025 or in 2024 the new concept came that is called, guys, can anyone give me this answer, why I'm choosing a different data center? What is the reason? A technical term of this thing.
Some classless.
Mhm. Technical term, technical name, why we have to choose a different data centers. Guys, you all have written that AWS in your resume, correct?
Suppose one data center is crash, we can check with the availability of the another data
one
center.
one line answer, one keyword answer. Go ahead, guys, try. Wrong answer is also acceptable. Please try.
Availability.
High availability. Okay, that is called high availability. Okay, in at this point, our applications or our clients are asking the high availability of the application. So how we can get the high availability? We have to create our data centers into the multiple regions. Okay, got it? Yes, no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if someone will ask you, are you using the high availability, you can say yes, you are learning with me, no need to worry, but you can say in your company also you are using the two different data centers location because you want to maintain the high availability of the application. High availability means if one data center is down, it will never happen, but if by any reason if one is down, the application is accessible from the different location. Cool, got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Same way, guys, if you will come up into this link only little bit down, okay, for different clouds also. Sorry, where is that? Google Cloud. Okay, for Google Cloud, which data center we have to choose? Here is the options. Okay, so different Helner, IBM Cloud, different clouds are there. Different clouds, their latency we can check it with the help of this single URL. But what I'm doing it, I'm giving another URLs also for the Azure. Okay, specific to the Azure. If you will go here and check it, for the Azure cloud, which one is the best option? You can go to get the details from here. Whatever is coming into the red, you don't have to select that, right? Whatever the red is coming, this is the highest latency. You will never create your data center into the South Korea. Are you agree? Yes or no? Because latency wise it's not good. Are you agree? Yes, no? Guys,
Yes.
please
Yes,
respond. Why
we
you are
can.
silent?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Same way, whatever is giving the highest or best response to you, we will create our data center into that particular location. That's it. Okay. Same thing for Azure. Yes, so many tests he did it, and out of that you can choose it which one is the fastest or which one is giving the good response. We can choose the particular one. Okay. Same thing for Google Cloud also. We have the Google Cloud link also. We will check. We can check the latency of the Google Cloud data centers with the help of, and we will get to know that which data centers we have to select it. Okay. So if someone will ask that which data center you are choosing it, you have to say the answer based on the latency. We are doing the ping test, we are doing the latency test. Whatever the data center is giving the fastest response, we will choose that particular data center. Okay. You will not give the nearby answer. You will get the answer directly from your client itself. Make sense? Agree? Not agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, cool.
Great.
And after choosing the data center, we have to create our network like this. Okay. At this point, it looks very tough, but within couple of days, within 2-3 days, you will able to develop everything. Okay. Our network or in our basic infrastructure look like this. At this point, I have not put much applications. I am not focused on the application at this point because we are into the AWS cloud. So with the help of internet on the AWS cloud, we will select the region. Guys, we have selected the region at this point. We will choose the availability zone. We will create our VPC. We will create our private network, public network. Whatever is the public applications, we will put into the public place. Whatever the private applications, we will put into the private application, and we will going to create this all infrastructure in the couple of days. Are you ready? Yes, no?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
How many
Yes.
people are able to understand how many definitions from here? 60%, 70%. How much you are able to understand at this point? Tell me. Number.
6. 6.
60?
6. 6.
6. What is 6, man?
AWS cloud
अच्छा,
region
अरे नहीं, percentage wise answer.
for understanding.
Percentage wise. 50%, 30%, 20%, anything is fine, guys. Tell me. What's your percentage level at this point for this?
100%.
One person is 100%. Okay. Victor is able to 100%. Mustafa 20%. Okay.
100%.
100% good. Okay. And guys, I will tell you this can be possible with the help of just 2 to 3 commands also. You can develop everything with the help of 2 to 3 commands also. Okay. So be ready. We will do it. Okay. In the upcoming classes. Okay, cool. Now, AWS has a pricing model, very simple, very straightforward, pay-as-you-go model, no upfront investment. We don't have to do anything. Whatever, if you reserve it, you have to pay. Some people will ask the question with me because I'm creating a EC2 machine. Do we have to delete? I will say yes, you have to delete it. Okay. If you will not delete, they will charge you something because you are reserving the thing. They will charge you a little bit less, but it will be chargeable. If you are not using it, delete it. Make sense? Are you agree with my point? Because if you
Yes.
are taking anything or any rented room, you are staying or not staying, doesn't matter. But you took the rented room, so you have to be delete the resources. Okay. If you are using, if you will using more 10 VMs, 20 VMs, 30 VMs, the charges will be different if you are using the single VM. So AWS is telling if you are using more, you will able to pay less. That is also acceptable. Pay per use, obviously, whatever you are using, you have to pay accordingly. And AWS telling if AWS will grow, okay, in future, the charges will become less and lesser as. Okay, cool. And AWS has some pillars also. AWS is a operational excellence. Whatever the service request we are creating it, it will be very good, very easy, it will get solved. Performance wise, very good, reliable, sustainable, secure, and cost wise, AWS is very good. Why people are moving into the AWS? Because already, if I will tell you the reason, around, where I have written that part. Yeah, over 1 billion customers from 190 different companies are using the AWS. Okay, that's why you are also going into that part. AWS is one of the biggest out of multiple competitors: AWS, GCP, Azure, Alibaba, Oracle, IBM. AWS is the leading one, and from the starting onwards, AWS is leading that. And another thing, AWS solution certified architect exam earn, or you can able to earn the highest salary with the help of this certificate as well. We have to start from a low level, and we have to reach into this level. Okay, that's why we are learning the AWS. Make sense? All good? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, theory wise we are good. Overall high level
Yes.
theory.
Vikas, what is this exam like which you have just told?
Solution architect. It's a solution architect.
So what is the basic role with that?
Solution architect, you are designing the application. See, this is a designing of the infrastructure application, correct? This is what you are going to do in that exam. But Mayank, one thing I will tell you again. Guys, don't directly write that exam.
Yeah,
Okay?
you have already
Agree?
explained it. Yeah, you have already explained it.
I'm telling again, don't directly write the solution architect, because you will get a 10 lakh extra from that. Okay? Or whatever the certificate you will write, you will get 5 to 10 lakh extra. Are you agree? Yes or no? Or yes, no?
Yes, yes.
If you will write
Yes.
the solution architect also, you will get 10 lakh extra only. But if every year, if you will write one certificate, you will able to ask 5 to 10 lakh extra every year. Make sense? So you will write every year, or you will write only one time. What is your choice?
Every year.
Everyone agree that we have to write
Yeah.
one certificate
Yes,
every
yes.
year. That's it. Okay. Make a target in April 2025. We will write one exam. December 2025, again you can write one more exam, get 5-10 lakh extra again. Again next year, write one more exam, get 5-10 lakh extra. So this is the trick we have to follow. Okay, cool. Guys, can we take a small break and then we will create AWS account? What do you say?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm giving a small break to you guys. Okay, just be available with your debit card or credit card, whoever has an international transaction enabled. Okay, and we are going to create a AWS account in the next 5 minutes. Okay. Tell me how many minutes break you want? 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell
3
me.
minutes.
3. Okay, 2
Yes.
minutes 30 seconds. Okay, guys, come back
Okay.
in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Your mobile phone or your credit card should be available, and we are going to create a AWS account. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Vikas, hello.
Go ahead, Amit.
Actually, I cannot see the videos. It shows you don't have access for this product.
Amit, share the screenshot to me.
Yeah, I will on.
Okay.
I will send it on WhatsApp.
Yes, definitely. Whenever guys you are facing any of the problem, immediately send a message. That's it. Okay, no need to wait for the class, no need to wait for this time. Okay, cool. Yes, no. Cool. Okay, guys, let's come back in the 1 minute 49 second, please. Okay. Guys, I'm back. How many people are back? Please let me know.
I am already back.
Come up on the camera, please. Come up on the camera.
Back.
Can I have one question?
Yes, Neil, go ahead.
Sir, can you give some step by step which exam we have to give as a first level, second level?
Sure, definitely. I will give it to you. Okay.
Okay.
First, you have to write it the AWS Cloud Missionary exam.
Yes.
Okay. Make a target to write in April.
Okay.
Cool. Fine.
Fine.
Okay. And I will give you the list. I have created the list for 5 exams. Okay. For the next 5 years.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. And I will help you out with some free certification exams also in this duration as well. Okay.
Okay.
Means there is a Splunk exam which happened free of cost. Okay. Or sometimes this AWS exam also came in 50%, 70% discounts.
Okay.
Okay. So you can write in the discounted time. That will be better, right?
Sir, is there like we have to renew certificate for every
Obviously,
year?
yes. Obviously, yes. Every 2 years, or if some exam has a validity of 2 years, 3 years, we have to renew it.
Sir, corporate discount we have or like individually we can?
What you're telling?
Corporate discounts we have or individually?
See, corporate though from your company you will get free of cost. Correct? If you're writing from my side, okay, I will help you out some 50% or 70%, whatever I will get it. Okay, I'm not committing at this point. Whatever I will get it, I will help you out.
Okay, sure.
Okay, but from your try to whatever the mails are coming from your company, okay, AWS, GCP, Azure, whatever it is, whatever is coming, write that exam. Simple, free of cost. Agree? Yes, no?
Agree.
Companies also reimburse
Company also
100%.
reimburse, yes. Okay, so no need to pay from your pocket, get it reimbursed from your companies. Okay, make sense? Good, thank you. Okay, now tell me how many people are ready to create AWS account right away in front of everyone. Who is creating?
I'm creating.
Who is that? What's the name? Hemant or Ajay? Who is selling? Hemant. Okay, Hemant, what you have to do it? You have to go into this URL. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and after that you will share your screen in front of everyone. Okay. Cool. You have to go, or better, guys, we are on the YouTube live, so we will create an account in our private class. Okay, no need to worry. Can we learn one more small topic in the next 15 minutes? What do you say?
Yes,
What do you
sir.
say? What do you say? Okay, and just learn 15 minutes one small topic IAM. Okay, and then after that we will create an account. What do you say, guys? Tell me.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Account creation will take only 5 minutes. Okay, you just have to be ready. Okay, we will stop the recording, okay, of YouTube live, and then we will do the account creation. Okay, but I would like to deliver one more small topic. Okay, very small topic, that is IAM. Okay, if someone already know what is IAM, can anyone help me out? What is IAM?
Identity access management.
Identity access management.
Correct. What will happen in this service?
We maintain users'
Roles
details,
and permission to the
details,
user.
everything.
We will maintain the users roles and permissions of the AWS cloud. Correct. As soon as we will create any of the account, or how the IAM look like, this is the user, root user. Okay, what is root user?
Who has
Super
access to all the services?
owner has all the
Honor.
access.
See, I will tell honor, OWNER, honor. Okay, or super user who have the full access for complete cloud. Means full access means all the management console related activities you can do, dashboard related activities, you can change all the policies, group roles, access everything, and you can access all the resources, billing, management, every resource you can able to use it with the help of root account. In your company, as soon as you will join, you will get a root account. Yes or no?
No.
No. Obviously no. Okay, we will not get the root account. Which account we will get it in our company? IAM user. Okay, so first we will create an account. As soon as we will create an account, we will get a root account. We don't have to use everything with the root account. We will provide the admin access to the root account, admin access to the IAM user, and we will create our own IAM user and we will use it. Cool? Agree? Yes, no?
Agree, sir.
Okay, cool. One trick. Okay, second. As soon as we create an account, yes, two accounts, two varieties of sign up option will come, root account sign up or IAM sign up. Okay, so root, if you are the administrator or owner, then only you have to use it. For some billing activities or for some administration activities, billing or administration activities, you have to use the root account. Else, you don't have to do it. Second is IAM user. I will help you out. We will create an IAM account for ourselves and we will use for daily administration activities, DevOps engineer role, manager role, or whatever it is. You will use the IAM. If you will see this image, you will able to see root user have the access for all the services. He can able to see all the services, able to use all the services. Okay, but when I'm talking about the IAM user, he has some particular access and it will get access denied. Okay, let's me show you my account also. Okay, this is my account. At this point, I am into the training IAM user account. Okay, I am coming here, and as soon as I will come into my home page, there may be chances if I'm searching the billing. Okay, billing. Okay, and I'm just clicking on the billing all option. Okay, and as soon as I will go here. Okay, okay, sorry, wrong answer. billing, billing, bills. Okay, let me go into the bills option. Okay, and I get one error. What is this error?
That user does not have required permissions.
Correct. This user, training user, does not have the proper permission to view this page. This is not a problem, guys. This is restricted for this user. Correct. In your company also, there may be chances you will able to see lot of things which will be showing as a restricted to you. Okay. So if it's not accessible for you, means you don't have the right access. You have to reach out to your administrator to get the proper access. Okay. If this is really required for you. Make sense? Yes, no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Please write
Yes.
into the chat box. Everyone write into the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Okay. So IAM
Yes.
user may not have some proper or full access also. Okay. It may be get restricted. Cool. Good. Okay. What exactly the use of IAM? Okay. With the help of IAM, any of the employees, group of employees, customers, okay, will be validated, will be verified if this user is a right user or not. They have the particular, they have to go into which particular area, what particular things he has to access. That all things can be managed with the help of IAM. This will happen for the user employees as well. This will happen for the applications as well. Okay. What all applications, third party applications can be possible? Who can access the IAM? Like, guys, applications, which all application can access the cloud?
PowerShell.
PowerShell, scripting, okay, scripting, okay. What else?
Visual Studio.
Yeah, what Visual Studio will do there? What
You
else?
can access right using CLI. We can
Okay,
use
CLI, yes, CLI command, CLI, acceptable.
Monitoring tools like
Monitoring tool, proper name, guys, name.
Jira,
Terraform,
Confluence.
Prometheus,
Prometheus
Plan.
Grafana.
Guys, don't give the wrong answers. Sometimes giving the wrong answer into the interview will reject you. And you will complain that because they have not asked any question with me. Because if you are giving this type of answers, do you think that interviewer will listen your second question or he will give the second question to you? Think it in that way.
Nginx.
I Sumit, what is the
Huh?
use of Nginx?
Amazon,
Wait.
Amazon
Let me
CloudWatch.
defense. Wait. Let me defense with the Sumit. Okay. Sumit, what Nginx will do directly into the IAM? क्या रोल है मेरे को थोड़ा समझाओगे?
Okay. I am. Got
Amazon
it.
CloudWatch.
रोशन, रिजेक्शन की पूरी तैयारी रखो, ठीक है? क्या करेगा थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन अमेजोन क्लाउड वॉच तो वैसे भी इंटरनल एप्लीकेशन है, तो उसका क्या है? मैं यहाँ पे थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशंस की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Like Datadog. Third
बहुत
party
बढ़िया भाई,
application.
पूरी तैयारी है तुम्हारी. जितने लोगों ने AWS ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है ना रिज्यूम में,
MS Office.
बहुत बढ़िया जय, बहुत बढ़िया. MS ऑफिस,
Yeah, CLI, I know that. Through
CLI
CLI.
चलो, आई एक्सेप्टेड.
सर्विस नाउ
PowerShell.
बहुत बढ़िया गाइस. कितने लोगों ने AWS लिखा है अभी तक रिज्यूम में? पहले मेरे को बताओ तो सही. सबने लिखा है, आई एम 100% श्योर. लिखा है? एवरीवन हैज रिटन AWS?
No, not yet.
Guys, how many people has written AWS into the resume? अरे बोलो ना प्लीज, 100% लिखा है तभी तो पढ़ रहे हो. Okay, चलो, no worries guys. Don't give this type of answers into the interview. Okay, I'm talking about, see, let me come up from the starting. Let me ask the question. This is your enterprise level application. Okay, enterprise level application of AWS cloud. Okay, AWS. Okay, yes, employees of AWS can able to validate verified with the help of IAM. If they have a proper access, they will able to access it. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Employees,
Yes.
some client users, human being can able to access the AWS resources, EC2, S3, RDS, like that, CloudWatch, everything. Okay, one use case. Second use case, I'm talking about some application. Which application is supposed to be connected to the enterprise cloud or resources, AWS resources? Which application? Try it again. Anyone knows? No? Chalo, no worries.
Contrast.
SAP, SAP,
Cyber.
CLI.
SSO.
SSO and IAM work is similar. Okay. CLI. What do you mean by CLI? Command line interface. These are human beings. They are using from the console. CONSOLE. Okay. See, at this point, I am accessing my IAM account with the help of console. I am going with the mouse and I am accessing. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Second option, I can also access this complete AWS with the help of CLI commands. If I know the AWS command, I can access my AWS complete. Okay. Point number two. Third point, if I will tell you, okay, if I will tell you, chalo, I will go to my AWS. Okay. You have to create one of the EC2 machine. You are going here as a human being. Okay. You are going here. You are clicking on the launch instance. You are fulfilling the template all, and you are clicking on the create, and the machine is going to be get created. Agree? This is one approach, human being approach. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I want to automate this. How can I automate the EC2 creation? I just want to create a EC2 machine with the automation. How can I create it?
By CLI command.
PowerShell or Terraform.
Terraform. Okay. One person is given the answer called Terraform. Okay. Third party application means Terraform. Like Terraform applications are there who will connect. Obviously, if you want to go to the AWS, it will be get verified or validated with the help of IAM. If this Terraform user has the right permission, then only he will go and do the activity inside the AWS cloud. Correct?
Yes.
Because we can use as a Git and GitHub and Jenkins also as a third party application.
Correct. Yes. Jenkins is a correct option. Git and GitHub don't say, because you have to impress to the interviewer also. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Jenkins is a good option. Yes, you can say Jenkins. Yes. Okay. But do you think that Jenkins is a infrastructure creation tool?
No.
No, right? Jenkins is not an infrastructure. Jenkins is
A
a
deployment
CI/CD
tool.
tool. CI/CD tool.
CI/CD tool.
Right? So Jenkins is also not a right choice. But you can say the answer, but that is also not a right answer. 100% not a right answer. Correct? The correct answer is Terraform, Ansible, CLI. Correct? This type of application who has an integration with the AWS cloud to go inside it and check it.
What about Prometheus and Grafana? That is also.
See, Prometheus Grafana, you are running the Prometheus Grafana. What it will do? You will install the Prometheus and Grafana into the server itself, right?
Yes.
वो outside application नहीं, वो तो internal application हो गई.
Okay. Okay.
Guys,
Got
able
it.
to understand the difference? Yes or no? कि तुम
Yes.
लोग कहाँ गलत आंसर देते हो?
Sir, actually, there is
Yes.
confusion for internal and external application.
एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन, सी टेराफॉर्म इज एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन. हम लोग बाहर से रन करेंगे, दैट इज टेराफॉर्म एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन. ह्यूमन बीइंग बाहर बैठा हुआ है, कोई एडब्ल्यूएस के डेटा सेंटर में नहीं बैठा हुआ है. करेक्ट? राइट?
Yes.
Right.
It is
Right.
sitting outside. Okay, so we are telling it's a outside applications. If you are sitting inside the AWS data center itself, so you can access it internally. Okay, we are accessing everything from the internet, right? So some gatekeeper should be there. This is a gatekeeper for us. Make sense now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, gatekeeper will allow the right person go and do that. That's it. Okay, that is the work of IAM. Okay, now after creating the account, we have to create our first user. We will create it right away. Okay, chalo guys, I'm stopping the online streaming of on the YouTube. Okay, and whoever want to continue, guys, don't watch everything on the YouTube. Please come up on the Zoom link, because we can't put everything on the YouTube. Okay, because user creation means AWS account creation required ID, what we can say, required a credit card information, which we can't show on the YouTube. Otherwise, YouTube will block the video. Okay, one thing. Second point, all these videos, PPTs, and everything cannot be put on the YouTube. So everything will be available into the LMS system. So if you're watching on the YouTube, please come up into the Zoom. Okay. Now I am stopping the streaming of the YouTube, and then we will continue inside the where we will continue.